Hi friends, I'm Pari and I'm going to show you how to make a paper bomb. So let's start it. So we needed one paper only to make. So let's start it. So first, I'm going to show you. So first we have to take paper, like paper, then this you have to then first hold it simply like this, then hold some more. First small fold, then big fold, like this. Some small, then big. Then have to fold it. So this way, this, and then you have to this upper portion. This portion you have to see it first, and then you have to put your hand here, and then you have to make your back, and then fast do this. Okay, so 1 2 3 start. see So फ्रेंड्स, आपको अगर मेरा यार वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे इस वीडियो को लाइक करना। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। अब मैं मिलूंगी मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड